So the market is playing up and down. So we have to be strategic around those stocks. We're gonna talk about 5 stocks because some of them is starting to reverse, okay, and some of them going toward the nice bottom to load up at. So let's get right to it and see what's going on. First off, let's talk about PayPal, and PayPal is kind of right now doing lower highs. You see, we kind of doing lower highs last time around the 179, now the 181 holding, and the price surge right now and going up again. So what we want to confirm for PayPal to do the reversal is one thing only, which is this time we want to go over the 212. Okay, the 212 will confirm that PayPal will reverse, because last time we have a gap here and never recovered since then, and we have this massive dip until the 179 here. Okay, the 197, this will be kind of the reversal, starting for the reversal. Okay, you see here the tests, then the price go up, then here will be the starting of reversal around the 100, let me close, 97, and the confirmation for the reversal is the 212 for PayPal. The next one we have FAMI. Yes, I know, I got a lot of questions. The last time that we got this reaction of rejection around the 0.2665, this is the resistance here, we got rejected, and that's why the price going down. As we said, we're gonna see the double bottom around the 0.20 again. This is crazy important support to hold for FAMI. Otherwise, we're gonna see the price still dropping and lower below this level around the 0.15 and lower. So be careful from this reaction. We want to hold above the 0.20 in order to starting reversal around the 0.2665, because we got rejected here around this level of resistance since the 9th of December. So right now the price got rejected and going down. I will be clear from it right now for FAMI. If you want to average down, it would be around the 0.20 if we hold, okay, because if we didn't hold and have a green candle above this level, there's a potential we still going down, because the moment that we broke from this ascending line was downtrending market for FAMI. Okay, you see the reversal will happen for sure for FAMI is around, as I said, the 0.3080. Prog, we have a prog is the same reaction for as a FAMI, but prog is right now visiting the support while we speak around the 0.14. okay, so the 0.14 is the support right now, double support. Right now we got rejected before around the $2.68. so the $2.68 is the resistance for prog, and the price for support is $2.15. So we have to hold above the $2.14 in order to see the reversal around the $2.70 for prog, and the price will have a big squeeze until the $4.09. This will be the big jump for prog if we just hold this level. This is crazy important right now for prog for the next year price. Okay, we need to hold above the $2.14 in order to see this reaction to happen. Okay, and the next one we have Tesla. Of course, Tesla, we have announcement from Elon Musk, and he said, I'm stopping selling shares. I had enough. Okay, so he said I had enough selling shares for Tesla, and Tesla went up. And guess what? I already traded Tesla, not normal Tesla, but Tesla X3. So you see 39% from the 7. So because if Tesla went almost like 10%, let's say, for example, the normal Tesla, the times X3 Tesla will be 30% up. As I said in the last video, you can trade not 3x Tesla on trading 212. Already have a brokerage account with it. So if you want, the link is in the comment section below. You get have like a 0 fees when you transfers your money at it. So it's really pretty cool and have a nice platform and layout regarding like the chart when you use it on the phone. Okay, so as I said, for Tesla, the price went up. Let's go to normal Tesla. We said the price will go eventually boom to hit our target, and we hit it perfectly, and the price jumped up. We talked about since when the price started dipping here around the 16th of November. You see, when you hunt, you have to wait for the price come to you, because the price going up, then eventually went down to our price level. So right now the price hit our price level, went up. So what we expect, we're gonna see a bit of rejection right now. I expect rejection will happen pretty soon right now, because this is normal. Like here around this technical area, let me just check, around the 1000 maybe 1046, around this technical area, in this triangle, below the triangle, below the 1096 here. Okay, this area of testing for Tesla. So be careful, we might get massive rejection here. We go up and we're gonna might see a rejection here, and the price will consolidate around the 950 again. So be careful from this reaction, will happen pretty soon for Tesla. The next up we have let's go to Uber. And Uber went crazy up around the 42 right now when we visited the 36. So if you want to ask me, the moment that we went down on this ascending line, let me just check. Yeah, the 1st of May, okay, when Uber started dipping, it was crazy dip, okay, for Uber, because the transportation company hit pretty hard with COVID. So Uber got crazy low. Like look with me, the price went from the 60 until the 30, so almost 50% down. However, right now we kind of hit the bottom around the 36. We expect a massive resistant area. We get rejected, will get rejected around the 46. So if you already bought Uber, just take a profit around the 46, because here is back to rejection, and the price will have support around the 41 again. This will be another price to buy at again around the 41. However, the 46 will be a taking profit area for me. Hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, comment in this section below. And again, if you want a discount almost 50% for the chart that I'm using right now, the trading view is really crazy and good charting tool, and you can start using with my link in the comment section below. As you can see, it's like my favorite charting tool, even though I have like different brokerage account, but all of them is kind of is not perfect as this one, because it's more dynamic and fast reacting. Without further ado, hopefully you have a good trading day, and hopefully enjoying your Christmas time, and let's get ready to hunt.